Hey guys, I'm here with Sally. We're making dumplings. It's my favorite Chinese food together with noodles. So, first project. Sally said this is good. Thank you.
One more.
Yeah. So, this is Thai roll wonton. Thai roll wonton. Vegetable and pork dumplings. We got it together. Hold it like that. Then, how do they do it? Okay, now. One.
这只不过是我分内的事。好样的，医生。
那么再见了，我们勇敢善良的小企鹅。再见。
Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Perfect. Last one. Explain, huh?
Oh god, I'm pressured. Okay, first you need to put a litter. After that, you need to roll it. So, it's not take pressure when you roll it. Just like this one. Press it. And that's it.
Good. Getting really better. You're an expert now.
I am. Oh, lovely kitten.
You like this one? 胖子，还没来？7点钟再来啊？还没呢，等你呢，你快点，7点钟立马来啊！
妹妹，过来。
不要等你，快点啊！
哇！Oh, dumplings. So yummy. Perfect partner of dumplings. It's very famous. Very good.
对，我们本来是想原来Roger 包的呢，里面有一半是打包的。
It looks very delicious.
大厨在这里，我那个学生。你们俩可以停吗？Good.
Dumplings are good.
I can make